Hello Cancers, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your December month reading, um, and this will be not particularly for your love life. This will be a general reading for your general message. And as you know that general message cannot resonate totally. You should take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. This is a different kind of reading in which I will take messages for first 10 days, middle 10 days, and last 10 days of December. So let's start your reading, Cancers. Let's see what are the energy for your first 10 days is the Strength card. So you are getting strength, some kind of a strength is coming towards you. Whether it's a strength in your workplace, you are getting some strong position, or it can be strength coming in your love relationship, or maybe your overall relationships. So you are getting strength here, or you are getting strong within yourself, or if it's a health, there were a health issue before, now you are getting your strength in your health back. So I have clarified this strength card with two cards, Knight of Pentacles and the Hangman. If it's a love situation, or maybe it's a work situation, it can be offer is coming towards you, and it's a stable offer. It can be from your person, or it can be from your uh, authority figures for your job purpose. So some kind of offer is coming towards you, and this offer is very much stable this time. It's slow coming, but it's stable and it's coming towards you. um, this is slow coming, that's why there is a long waiting period for you. After maybe or maybe this offer is giving you the strength within yourself, whether it's in your job position, or maybe whether it's in your love situation where commitment is coming towards you, or some kind of position is offered from your authority figure to you, which is making you strength, which is making you strong in your workplace. Or if it's a commitment from your person, love partner is coming towards you, this commitment making you strong in your love life. Or maybe this commitment is making your love relationship more stronger than ever. But there are delays here, so you have to be wait for this stability. This stability is slow coming, but it's coming. In middle 10 days you are having three of cups, so you are just about to celebrate in middle 10 days of December. Maybe you are just reuniting with your person, maybe it's a past person is coming back towards you, or maybe whatever position you have offered in first 10 days, you are enjoying, or you are celebrating it with your colleagues, or maybe you are celebrating this commitment from your partner with your family. So here three cards clarify this three of cups is four of wands, ace of pentacles, and king of pentacles. So maybe it's like that you are just enjoying and celebrating the offer, what is commitment and job offer you are having this time. Maybe handsome salary and good position in that company your company is offering you, so you are just celebrating it. Or if it's a commitment coming from a person who is a earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or it can be a trait of that person. Maybe you are dealing with Leo, but this time this person is very much in a commitment position, like they are in a commitment mood. They want a commitment from you, or maybe they want to give you a commitment. So you are just celebrating your commitment and your new beginning, your stability in your love life situation, or maybe in your job situation. So there is a celebration and commitment with your colleagues and family. In last 10 days you are having a devil card. Maybe this is a if this waiting period is getting long, you think that this waiting period is getting longer and longer, and this is making you thinking obsessively about this relationship or this person. Or you are just getting obsessed about this person in the last 10 days of December, or it's like a some kind of unhealthy situation can come up regarding this commitment or regarding this job position um, for you. Fool card and the Eight of Swords is clarify this Devil card here. So shows that um, you you are thinking negatively, that you are going to take a risk. If you accept this offer, this is a risk for you. So this is making your thoughts negative, and in actual this is not happening. So you think that your new start in your love life or in your work life will give you some unhealthy situation or instability in your love life, but or in your work life, but it's not the case, because this is your exaggeration, this is your overthinking. Or maybe someone is going to manipulate you in last 10 days, because maybe someone is getting jealous of your good position, and your the person who is going to commit you. So someone is jealous, and they are just trying to manipulate you about your new beginning, and this is making you obsessed, and this is making you thinking negatively about the situation. So you have to be careful, this kind of people, and you have to be careful about these kind of thoughts. If it is not the person who is manipulating you, or it can be your own thoughts that you're just afraid of your new beginning, or so this is making this situation unhealthy. So you have to be careful. So you need to clear all this kind of negativity from your mind. um, so Cancer, that was your reading for the month of December. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.